What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So I am back for a final of this Revell 2016 Corvette Stingray, and we have a bat. Amazing kit. This kit is so nice, but there is a little issues of it. I mean, not main issues, but just minor issues. So let's get that out of the way first, then let's get to the good stuff. So the first little issue is the windows. In this kit, the main windshield, the back glass, and the side glass are one piece, and there's little nipples on the roof where it snaps in, and once you snap one side in, the other side wants to pop back out. So make sure they just keep them aligned, and take your time. Don't put glue on there. Just fit it in there. Then once you get it all lined up, then put glue, and you're all set. But yeah, the windows are a little tight, so just take your time with that, and they'll go in, they'll snap in actually, and yeah. So there's that. And the next one more is the chassis and the interior going in with the body. It's pretty difficult. I gotta give it that. It took me a couple tries to do it, but it eventually snaps in, so that's good. So make sure. The body and the chassis is a little weird going in the body because you get these back bumpers molded on, and yeah. See, put your back. I want to say is put the back in first, put it under the bumper, then kind of snug the body and just push down the interior and the chassis, and it will snap in. And yeah, there's that. So just take your time with the windows and the chassis and the interior going in the body. Take your time, but you'll get it. But other than that, the kit went together very, very good. So let's get to the good stuff. So the body color is beautiful. This is actually by Splash Paints. It is Watkins Glen Gray, and it is a very beautiful color. Lots of metallic in it. It's so nice. Very, very nice color by Splash Paints. It is their Corvette color. It is for a Corvette, so that's cool. So when I had it in my stash for a while, the colors, so I was like, well, let's use that color on the Corvette. What's meant for. So there's that. And the clear coat is by Spray Gunner. They're 2K clear. And Spray Gunner, they also sell splash paints. That's actually where I get my splash paints from, because they're a little bit closer to me, so they ship a little bit faster and Splash Paints directly. But yeah, that's it. But it's the same company, so. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So Splash Paints did a wonderful job with this color. It's just very nice. The wheels, I was gonna go with aftermarket wheels, but after I de-chromed these and painted them black, I just stuck with the stock ones because they look so good black. So I kept them black. I kept the stock ones, but I stripped the chrome, painted black, and I cleared it with the 2K clear, and that looks very wonderful. The interior is black and like a gunmetal gray kinda. It's a different kind of black. I'm not really sure, but it's by Tamiya, but it looks like a gunmetal, but it's not. But it is black main interior, and got the gunmetal sorta accents, and the flocking is gray flocking, so that looks pretty good. The chassis is all black. It's just your basic black chassis. It's not very too special, but it's it's a Corvette. So it's all about aerodynamic. So there's a chassis, and the windows, the back ones I actually tinted with the Tamiya smoke, which works very wonderful. 2 coats is more than enough, because you can still see in. If I put 3 coats is probably the max I'll put down. But if you do any more than that, then your windows will be pitch black. So, but I want to see in still, so I did 2 coats actually, and that's more than enough for me. So that looks pretty good. And the last thing is the engine. And the engine is very, very cool. There we go. So the main block is aluminum, and gunmetal, or no, steel. Aluminum and steel and flat black is the main engine parts. And the engine went together very well. It's not a very detailed engine, but you're not going to see much of it because you got this big old plastic cover over it. But that's quite alright, and well, that's what modern cars have these days, so have to deal with it these days. But the engine is very detailed. You know, it's not the best detailed, but it is pretty detailed. It's like 10 parts most. I don't think it's 10 parts actually. It's like 7 or 8 parts the most. But yeah, it is pretty decently detailed. Not, you know, like I said, not very detailed one, but you know, it's decent. But yeah, that's the Corvette, guys. This is actually a very nice kit. It goes together very well. No issues except just the glass and the body with the chassis and the interior. But once you get those done, the kit goes together like a breeze. It's just all downhill from there. And I actually masked off the bumper. Actually, you can see it, but I'll show it on the hood. The vent here is black, so I painted the body color. Then I cleared it. Did 2 coats of clear so I can mask off the black because I want this paint coming off when I'm masking it. Just, you know, the clear kind of protected it a little bit. Then I painted it flat black, and then I did the rest 3 coats of clear, and it looks very nice. Backside too. But yeah, but other than that, guys, this Corvette turned out amazing. I really do recommend this kit. I wouldn't really call this a weekend build because it certainly did not take me a weekend. It took me a couple weeks actually, a month the most. It took me a month. But you can definitely do this in a month. So I did it in a month. So I wouldn't. You can call it a weekend build, but I really wouldn't because you do want to take your time, do a really nice paint job on this body because it's not a very most detailed kit out there. So those kind of kits, you really do want to focus on the body, get the body like spot on, like I did here. I put a lot of coats of clear on it and wet sanded it and polished it, and it looks amazing. So this is kind of kit you really want to take care of the body and make it look good. But other than that, guys, I think that will do it for now. And I'm gonna put this on the shelf, make it look pretty, as always I say. But other than that, guys, until next time, I hope I catch you guys later. Bye for now.